Dun 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 dun. That's right. This is a Shark vacuum. A very fun vacuum to vacuum with. I'm going to demonstrate. It's going to be great. Let's go. First off, after you release the wires from their hold, you want to go ahead and, looks like, lift off of there. And then, let's see. I'm doing this one-handed, by the way, so that's actually showing how awesome this vacuum is. Because you can literally do it like one-handed. You just lift it off there, put it on here, attached. Whoa, done. Alright. Now watch this. Go ahead, put it down. Step on it. It's great. Look at this little hand going. And we're about to turn it on. And you're about to see it zooming forward. It's amazing. Oh my god. This is literally the best vacuum I've ever vacuumed with. Oh my gosh. It's just gliding. Like this is one-handed gliding across the floor. Oh my gosh, this is so fun. Okay, check this out. We got some yarn pieces on the floor here, like everywhere. We're about to see this. See this in action. See if it works. Check it out. Zooming forward. 1, 2. Well, it looks like it's still some pieces there, but it got a lot of them. Which is really hard to do because it's like all fabric on fabric. You know what I mean? I mean, they're still on the floor, but I don't even mind doing this because it's just so easy. Not only that, oh, check this out. Watch this, hold on. Watch this. Still one-handed, check this out. Step on this right here. Boom, there's the hose. Watch that. I feel like I'm like playing a video game with like a cool weapon. Yep. And you turn it on. Why, yeah! Oh, and it's got like a light. Do you see that? It has its own like headlight. That is so cool. You get all the corners, all the pieces of stuff. Yeah. Really needed to vacuum. That's why I thought I'd demonstrate how amazing this vacuum is. Just how fun it is. Yeah. Everyday things can be pretty fun. You can have some happiness in them. At least that's what I think. Alright. Well, thank you, Shark. This is a Rocket. Thank you very much for letting me enjoy vacuuming. Alright now.